If you own a 2024 or newer Can-Am Spyder and you're looking for a convenient way to lock up your helmet when you're stopping for a quick bite to eat at your favorite burger joint or while visiting your local coffee shop, then you may be interested in our Lidlox Helmet Lock System. This clever little device replaces your factory handlebar end cap and features an integrated lock for a quick and convenient way to lock up your helmet. It's constructed from aluminum and powder-coated black to seamlessly blend with the bike. They're sold as a single unit for those of you who do a lot of solo riding and as a pair for those of you who like to ride two up. Now, if you opt for the pair, you'll be happy to know that both locks are keyed the same, so you can use one key on both helmet locks. The included helmet extender is compatible with helmets that use D-rings, as well as helmets that use a quick-release buckle system. Simply slide the extender in place, push to secure the locking pin, and you're done. When it's time to ride, use the keys included to unlock the pin and release your helmet. Now that you know what this product is and what it can do for you, allow us to walk you through the installation on our Shop 2024 Spyder RT Limited.
Before you begin, make sure that your bike is on level ground and that your parking brake is engaged. Start by using a 10mm Allen wrench to loosen the handlebar end cap so that you can remove it from the bike. Grab one of the included hex inserts and thread it into the handlebar end finger tight to start. Then use a 5/8 socket with ratchet to snug it down the rest of the way, making sure not to over-tighten. Add some removable thread lock to the included Allen screw. Place the lid locks against the end of the handlebar, making sure that the slot on the lid locks is facing down towards the ground. Insert the Allen screw through the center of the lid locks and use a 5mm Allen wrench to thread it into place. Grab the included cylinder lock and thread it in with one of the included keys until it sits flush with the end of the lock body. Once in position, use the included Allen key to snug down the set screw, careful not to over-tighten. Once installed, it's important to test your throttle to make sure that it's performing properly. When you twist it backwards and release it, the throttle should spring forward. If everything looks good, use one of the included keys to unlock the lid locks until the locking pin is released. The included helmet extender is compatible with helmets that use D-rings, as well as helmets that use a quick-release buckle system. Insert the helmet extender into the slot at the end of the lid locks, and push the locking pin into place, making sure that it inserts through the hole in the helmet extender before letting go of your helmet. To unlock, grab your helmet and use the key to release the locking pin. Then push the pin back into place. If you purchase the 2-pack of helmet locks, repeat this process for the other side.
And that's all there is to it. If adding helmet locks to your bike is on your mod list, head over to slingmods.com or click the link in the description below to grab 1 or 2 helmet locks for your bike. Feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything on 3 wheels. I'm Jen, signing out until next time.